What's poppin', family? Hey, Bell Pepper, you about to clock in?
I'm about to clock in.
All right, I'm gonna talk to you in a little bit. Let me just start off with a little bit of good news. I just swiped the 55, so that's the only good news right now, right? Check this out. This whole week, I'm just gonna get right into it. Like last week, we went out to eat somewhere, it gave me food poisoning. I'm literally on the toilet all day. I mean, that might be too much information for some of y'all, but I'm messed up. My stomach is messed up. I didn't work 2 days out the week last week, and we managed to still bring in 1,800. So I'm gonna show you right now that we managed to still bring in 1,800 last week, and I didn't work 2 days. 1,800 last week. I made $1,800 and didn't work 2 days because my stomach is still messed up even right now. It's Monday morning. As you can see, it's late. It's already 8. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's already 8:21. It's 8:21 right now. And I just swiped the 55. So it's gonna be my first batch. It's a double 55, 8:21 in the morning. My stomach's messed up. I did not drop the private group last week just because I got food poisoning. And I've been sick, literally, like I've been messed up. But we're gonna try to crank it out today, and we're gonna try to drop that this week. So because I know a lot of you guys need it. I mean, think about it. I didn't work 2 days out the week last week and I still made 1,800. That's fire, you know what I mean? I could do like 2,300, 2,400 last week. But it's all good. 1,800 is still good. I'm still happy about it. It's cool. But yeah, in this video, you already know we're gonna run it up. I'm gonna let y'all know what I make during the day, how we do it. If I stop early because my stomach or something, I'm gonna let y'all know. But yeah, you already know what it is. Let's get it. Gotta run it up. Especially when you start late. When you start late, there's no time to be like taking time to like sit around. So I'm gonna do this batch and I'm gonna swipe another one right away. That being said, I'll see y'all in a second. Peace.
All I see is red. Oh yeah. Everything red. Yeah. Everything red. All I see is red. Oh yeah. Red letters, red mission, red blood, red ribbon. Red letters, red mission, red blood, red ribbon.
Just finished that 55. We sitting at Costco. It's 9:56. You already know what's up. Costco drops at 10 o'clock. My stomach's still messed up, not gonna lie. But I'm just hoping for a banger at the drop. Check this out. Let me tell y'all something. If on this Costco drop, if there's a $100 batch or something crazy, I'm gonna get it. I'm most likely gonna get it. Okay, so obviously there's reasons why, you know, because there's just different things that I do differently than every other shopper. So I know I'm gonna get it. Well, I can't say I know. I have a high probability of getting it if there is a $100 order or a really high order, because of the tactics that I use, which I'm gonna release. You guys already know. My bad, I didn't release them last week. Then my daughter came over for the weekend. I didn't work 2 days last week. Still made 1,800, but still, like, I was all messed up last week, guys. All right, but this week it's a different story. Just trying to get over this little food poisoning thing. We're gonna see if we can swipe a hundo on camera. I'll be happy with the upload today if we just swipe a $100 batch right now on camera. I will be satisfied. Just to show everyone that what I'm talking about is real. All right? And this ain't no bots. This ain't no illegal stuff. Nothing's crazy, so don't even think like that. I tested so many different things, and then I just found the recipe for this Instacart algorithm. So when Costco drops, you guys will see me swipe the 100, if there is one at this Costco. Hopefully there is one. I swiped $100 batches here. I actually swiped a $200 batch here. If you guys haven't seen that video, it's like 1 or 2 videos ago. If you haven't seen that video, $200 batch, it was here at this Costco. Now this isn't the, oh, Costco just dropped. Let me set up. Up there goes a 62. Okay, so I just took a 62. Wasn't 100, but I don't feel like waiting. All right, so I just took a 62, fam. That's not 100. Actually, it's like $38 away from 100, but it's good enough. 26 items, $62, Costco. Let's get it done. $62 in 1 hour. Let me know where you can work and make $62 in 1 hour. All right, we finished that batch in 1 hour exactly. Delivered everything at 11:05 and we swiped it at 10 o'clock. So maybe 5 minutes over an hour or something like that. But $62 an hour, easy. So we're on our way back to the store right now. We're looking for that turnaround time. Hopefully we can get something before we even get back to the store. That'd be ideal, you know what I mean? So we can just pull up, park, and do our work. My stomach is feeling a little better, but it's still kind of messed up. Yeah, for today. We're at $117 right now, all right? And it's 11:15. So, and I think that was just a 40. I'm at a red light right now looking at batches. So I'm back at Costco. So after that last order, I did a $22 quick order. It was $22, 17 items, 1 mile away. Finished that at a grocery store. Then I just took a $27 Costco. Now, a lot of people won't take $27 Costco's, not even myself, but you gotta know how to play this game. It's like playing chess. So if you know how to play this game, then you know when to take batches like this. So this $27 Costco is only 11 items and it's 6 miles away. I'm gonna do this really, really quick, and that's turnaround time. So basically, we can put the 27 with the 22, and really, I made $49 real quick. This is all under an hour, by the way. So yeah, about to crush this. Actually waiting for a parking spot. She's about to back out. And yeah, that's what it is. I'll see you guys in a second. Peace. All right, family, yeah, I'm back at the house. It's day 2, actually, the end of day 2. Yeah, I feel way better. I'm not 100%, but I'm like 80, 90%, whatever, somewhere around there, right? Yeah, today I was up until about 4:45 a.m. last night. You know, this morning I was up from last night until around 4:45 in the morning, like just having to go to the bathroom over and over. I took like 3 showers. It was ridiculous. Food poisoning is no joke. My stomach was destroyed. I was so close to going to the hospital. Like, I was so close to going to the hospital, but I toughed it out, man, and I'm feeling better right now, like 80-90%. So yeah, hopefully by tomorrow I'll be 100%. But that being said, I only did 3 batches today, made 155. So I did 3 batches, that's it. Yesterday, with my stomach at full throttle, I made 290. So yeah, ended up doing 290. So far Monday and Tuesday we're at 445, which is easy. I can bounce back. I'm the bounce back king, so I'll still cross 2K this week. Quite sure of that. I'm not even worried about it. But as long health first, because money don't mean nothing if you can't enjoy it. If you're not healthy, to be honest. So food poisoning is no joke. So I feel better. That's the key. So all right, now that being said, guys, I am going to drop the private group this week. Just give me some time to finish it up, put it all together. But yeah, I was sick. I didn't feel too well. I'm feeling better now. We're good to go. We're gonna hit 2K this week. So stay tuned. We're gonna start uploading way more videos too. I'm getting close. I'm getting very, very, very close to starting to upload daily content, straight up. I'm just starting to get froggy. I'm starting to feel like I just need to just be out here every day for y'all and show y'all what's up day to day, how we live in the days, you know what I'm saying, and just breaking it in these crazy times, right? So, but that being said, guys, it was a rough one. I just wanted to come in and touch base and let you guys know what's been going on so that you don't think I just disappeared on you. It's peace and love, you already know. Make sure you hit the subscribe, make sure you hit the bell to get notified, because we're gonna be dropping some fire. We always drop the fire. We're gonna take over the world. You already know that. We're gonna take you already know we're gonna take over the world. That's the goal. Let's get it. All right. So yeah, that being said, stay tuned and be ready for the private group. Be ready. 1,000 people. Be ready.